Mag-aarangkada na bukas ang 55th season ng Women's National Collegiate Athletics Association. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Sa temang Championing and Empowering Women in Sports, muling magbubukas ang Women's National Collegiate Athletics Association o WNCAA para sa kanilang 55th season. Pero bago marangkada ang aksyon, nagsagawa muna ng press conference ang All-Women Tri-Level League noong Miyerkules sa host school na Assumption Antipolo. Magtatagisan sa 13 palakasan ng mga student athletes na mula sa 16 na paaralan. Ayon kay WNCAA Chairperson Maria Vivian Manila, patuloy ang layunin ng liga na palawigin ang women's sports sa bansa.
With this, we shall continue fighting for women's sports. We hope to achieve what we have right now as our theme for this season. Championing and empowering women in sports.
Nagpasalamat naman si Assumption Antipolo School Director Marie Grace Magtaas sa tiwalang ibinigay sa kanila na maging punong abala ng WNCAA.
And so Assumption Antipolo is very privileged to welcome the 55th season of WNCAA, which we will open on Saturday. Our theme, Championing and Empowering Women in Sports, is something that's very close to our hearts, and I'm sure it is also for all of you. You know that women empowerment is now the way to go, right? Right.
Gaganapin ang opening ceremony ng WNCAA 55th season sa Sabado dito pa rin sa Assumption Antipolo. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.